Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple ureteric stones without any hydronephrosis or hydroureter and a large hepatic mass. You can see the liver and a large mass is seen in the lower portion of the right lobe of the liver. The mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency and has no fluid in its interior. Around it or in its interior, the mass has already been diagnosed by HCC, hepatic chorionic carcinoma. The patient is on chemotherapy. Now, it is generally thought that smaller stones may be impacted in the ureter, but in this case, you can see the multiple stones in the ureter. There is no hydronephrosis, astonishingly. You can see the mass, and the mass is now you can see the measurement of the mass. The mass measures about 7.8 centimeter into 6.1 centimeter. This is the mass, hepatic mass. Now you are going to see the ureteric stones, the kidney. You can see the right kidney, and you will see there is no hydronephrosis or hydroureter in spite of multiple stones. A stone is also seen in the lower pole of the kidney. Now you can see the stone shadowing. The stone measures about 14.0 millimeter, while the kidney measures about 11.7 centimeter into 3.7 centimeter with cortical thickness of about 10.9 millimeter. And you can see there is no hydronephrosis, no hydroureter. Astonishingly, surprisingly, you will see the hydroureter or hydronephrosis even if a small stone is seen in the ureter. But in this case, you will see there are multiple stones, 3 stones seen in the distal portion of the right ureter, but there is no hydronephrosis, no hydroureter. It is generally thought that there are smaller stones may be impacted in the ureter, but in this case you will see 3 large stones seen in the distal portion of the ureter, and there is no hydroureter and no hydronephrosis. Once the stone gets caught in the ureter, it may partially or completely block the flow of the urine. This blockage causes pain that is usually felt in the middle of the back or side and may radiate towards the groins. If a stone that is blocking the urine flow is left untreated, it can cause damage to the kidney or ureters. Now you can see there are multiple stones, 3 stones seen in the distal portion of the ureter, in the lower 1/3 of the ureter, close to the ureterovesical junction. This is the right ureter, very poorly visible in spite of multiple stones in it. There is no dilatation, there is no hydroureter. If the stones are left untreated, kidney stone may block ureter or make them narrower, This increases the risk of infection, or urine may build up and put added strain on the kidneys. Approximately 60% of kidney stones that are 4 to 6 millimeter pass on their own in about 45 days. Around 20% of kidney stones that are larger than 6 millimeter will pass on their own in about 12 months. However, when stones are larger and this larger and multiple stones, it is best to seek immediate surgical removal. Ureteral obstruction is a blockage in one or both of the tubes, ureters, that carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. Ureteral obstruction can be curable, however, if it is left untreated. Symptoms may quickly move to mild pain, to fever and infection, to severe loss of kidney function, sepsis. Even sepsis may occur. Large stones, especially those that fill the kidney, or stones that remain untreated after a long time, can cause permanent damage to kidney and may lead to kidney loss. So there is a relationship of sexual intercourse with ureteral stone in distal or lower one third of the ureter, as in this case. It is said sexual intercourse may clear distal ureteral stones. Having 3 to 4 times as sex per week was associated with a significantly greater stone passage rate than tamsulosin or other standard medical therapy. Sexual intercourse may be effective way to clear the distal ureteral stones, researchers have concluded. You can find some important information in the description of this video, and you can see the measurement of these stones. These stones measure about 12.0 millimeter, 9.8 and 8.2 millimeter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.